bored. What to do? I know it's dark because it's at night, but you can't see me. See if you can. So, what I was going to say is I'm going to go to Philly in Wales this Saturday. So, yeah, I might not be able to do video, but if I can't, I'll do it Sunday. Yeah, then I'm going camping in, oh, who knows, I don't know when, but it's not long. And then 31st is my brother's birthday, 30th is my mum's of the light. Yeah, so yeah. So sorry that you can't see me. My light does not work. How scary. I was just in the middle of watching something. Oh no, poo, my YouTube video, I better do it now. Please. Next time I'll be doing loom bands. They're really popular, I don't know how. They're just like elastic bands and you can make them out of them. Then I don't have a clue what I'm going to be doing next after that. Oh, I know. I can see what my house looks like, but I'm not allowed to let you. My mum said no, I was allowed to look at my room because it's a total mess. You can look at my sisters and my brothers and not my other brothers because he's too busy. You can't look at my mum's, she went to me. Look at the dog room, the living room, the kitchen, the garden, both toilets, the bathroom, and my mental dogs. So, oh yeah, I'm new to YouTube, so please, I'm begging you, subscribe and like. Oh God, it feels weird talking to a camera. Subscribe and like, but if you don't like it, you put a thumb down and don't do nasty comments because I hate haters. So yeah, so it's a boring video, but you can watch my other video of my mental dogs. It's called Mental Dogs by Lily Oliver. No, not Lily. No, not Lily Oliver. Type in mental dogs and you can see 2 get whistles. This is tiny. Yes, so we'll see you when I do another video. And then yeah, oh yeah, I was bored today, so I've done 2 videos. This one and mental dogs. So I was really bored. I'm bored. So boring, my name. But I can video my friend and me tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Bye. Like